Funny how the world works mysterious ways. Servicing the Transaxle on that last night, and I was thinking to myself, because I've only got those big jack stands, I was like, oh, I wish I had a little skinny set. They're only cheap ones, like $20 or something. And went to the dump shop this morning because I did a dump run, took some rubbish up to the dump, old broken wash machine shed. Went to the shop, 2 jack stands and an old, like a Toyota Cruiser jack, which fitted perfectly under here, allowed me to jack it up high to be able to roll the transaxle out, which worked out really good. And those 2 skinny jack stands fit right up underneath, so you can sit them on the chassis rail and get the whole RC mower up. So I got those 2 jack stands, the jack, nice big sheet of plywood for $10. So now I can at least finish this bench off a bit, finish the top off. And so that's all serviced. You would have seen my last video. It's almost like a milky brown colour. So it definitely had its past its use by date. All that was jammed up. It must be like a starter solenoid or something bolted up under the deck here. It was all packed in around there. So I cleaned all that up, degreased it, gave all the electrical plugs a bit of a spray, clean out. There's a lot of mud in them, so probably wouldn't have been helping things. So I'm going to have a look at the seat mount, because I've added these. They're off a Commodore sway bar bushes to try and tilt the seat back, because it always felt like it was jamming me forward. So I did that to raise it. It looks like it's cracking underneath. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not, but it kind of looks like it's cracking. So pull that out and have a look. Probably drop the deck off and check them blades out. Maybe give them a sharpen. That right one's looking pretty. How's your father? But as I said, like, they're only bloody 6 months old. They're GE spares. It's all just cheap shit. They're only $50 a pair, but fuck, when you're going for 2, 3, 4 sets a year, it starts to add up. Because you can't get those Oregon ones anywhere that I've seen in Australia, not in the 6-point Cub Cadet ones. So yeah, I might unbolt that seat and have a look at that. Might have to make up a plate to go underneath kind of thing, just to give it a bit more support, or maybe add some tubes through the rubbers and get in and probably do that. Might actually do that bench top first, because I'm sick of crouching down, getting pretty stiff and sore in my back. So yeah, it's the ugly side of homesteading, I guess, is constantly having to fix something or repair something or service something. Yeah, I'll link to the video I watched to pull the transaxle out, but there's actually, I think when I'll do it next, I'll probably put the drain plugs in. It's just it's easy enough to do, but it's hard enough to not want to do every 50 hours. So yeah, thanks.